So, you've probably heard it a million times by now, the world is changing, but let's be real, it's not just changing, it's accelerating. Every week there's a new tool, a new platform, a new way of doing things. It can be a little overwhelming, trying to keep up with everything. You see headlines about jobs disappearing or entire industries being disrupted. It's easy to feel like you're constantly playing catch-up. And look, I get it, the pace of innovation right now is genuinely staggering, and it's not slowing down. But here's the thing, this isn't about being scared of what's next. It's about being ready for it. Technology is advancing faster than ever. Learn these skills now, not out of fear, but to stay prepared and in demand. It's about shifting your mindset from reactive to proactive. Instead of worrying about being left behind, we're going to focus on building a foundation of skills that makes you adaptable, valuable, and ready for whatever comes next. These aren't just trendy buzzwords, they're the new fundamentals for anyone who wants to not just survive, but actually thrive. So in this video we're going to break down 8 critical skills that will give you a serious edge. We'll cut through the hype and focus on what's practical, what's learnable, and what will actually make a difference in your career and your earning potential. Think of it as a toolkit for the future. We're going to cover AI, data, the human skills that tie it all together. Alright, first up, AI literacy. And I know AI is everywhere, it's impossible to ignore. But being literate in AI isn't about becoming a machine learning engineer overnight. It's about understanding the fundamentals, and just as importantly, what it's bad at. It hallucinates. It has biases from the data it was trained on, and it lacks true context or consciousness. So, where do you start? Prompt engineering. It's the difference between generic and genuinely insightful. Start playing with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney. Treat it like a conversation. Give it a role. Provide context, ask it to take on a persona, iterate on your prompts, learn to guide the tool, and stay ethical. Trust, but verify your outputs and data sources. Now, next up, data literacy. Reading, interpreting, analyzing, and communicating with data so you can back decisions with evidence. Skill number 3 is coding and automation. Hear me out. You don't need to be a full-stack dev. Code teaches structured logical thinking. Start with Python or JavaScript. The goal is automation, scripts that handle repetitive work in seconds. Begin with no-code workflows and think in triggers and actions. Then write small, specific scripts. Even basics save hours. A productivity multiplier. Chapter 4. Cybersecurity Basics. We live online. One weak password can cost money, identity, reputation. The best defenses are simple. Use long, unique, complex passwords and a password manager. Turn on multi-factor authentication everywhere. Be skeptical. Check sender, language, and links before you click. Chapter 5. Cloud computing, the internet's backbone. Know IaaS versus PaaS versus SaaS, VMs, containers, deploying, and why scalability matters. Use free tiers. Ship a static site or spin up a tiny server to learn provisioning and cost. Comfort in the cloud is a massive advantage. Moving on to skill number 6, digital marketing and personal branding. Being good isn't enough. If nobody knows you exist, opportunities can't find you. Build a clear message, align your LinkedIn, portfolio, and posts into one coherent story. Learn SEO and create useful content. Articles, posts, and open source contributions show your expertise. Track what works and iterate. Visibility equals opportunity. Number 7. Critical thinking and complex problem solving. Deconstruct problems, use frameworks, form hypotheses, and test with data, not emotion. Build mental models, understand systems, anticipate second-order effects. Number 8. Emotional intelligence and adaptability. Communicate clearly, listen deeply, give and receive feedback, collaborate across distance. Tools change, roles evolve, industries pivot. Adaptability is learning agility and resilience. EQ is the operating system for every other skill. Build a T-shaped profile, deep in one or two areas, broad across the rest. Pick one skill, spend 30 minutes a day. Momentum compounds. Subscribe for smarter skills and money strategies. Learn once, earn forever.